So you're a beardsman, right? And chances are that you're looking for the absolute best beard products for your beard so you can keep your beard looking good, looking healthy, and so you as a man just generally feel good and healthy alongside it. But should you choose a beard brush or a beard comb? Why are they different? Why do they both exist? And which one should you be using for your beard? Well, luckily Volt has you and your beard covered today. We're going to be talking about beard combs and beard brushes and which one you should use and when. So let's dive into it. So first of all, let's talk about beard brushes and what a beard brush does. So a brush, as you all know, is just a simple handle. It can be made of wood or plastic or something like that. Volt's brush is made of wood because we like to be eco-friendly here. We like to be recyclable. We like to be natural. And then obviously the most functional part of the brush is the bristles. Now most bristles you're gonna find in any kind of hair or beard brush are going to be either natural bristles or synthetic bristles. Natural bristles may include things like horsehair, boar hair bristles, and synthetic bristles may be like nylon or something like that. For reference in today's video, Volt's Octo Brush actually uses natural boar bristles. We just find that these bristles have the best combination of stiffness so it can dig through your beard and clean and get to the skin underneath, as well as softness so they will still flex and they'll actually wrap around your beard hair and provide the moisture and spread the oils throughout evenly and all that stuff. And that is exactly what a brush is meant to do. It's meant to spread the oils evenly throughout your beard. It's meant to dig in and get to the skin underneath your beard in order to wipe away those excess skin cells or oil buildups and generally just keeping your beard as healthy as possible. But what about a beard comb? Most combs you'll know out there are going to be made of plastic. That's the most common, it's the easiest, and it's the cheapest material to make combs out of. It's a simple mold, you inject some plastic in there, you pop it out, that's pretty much it. It's a comb. Volt's comb is made of wood, obviously because we like to be eco-friendly and all that stuff. But the big thing about wood combs is that they don't add static electricity to your beard. And that's a big thing because if you ever used a comb or a brush before and have found that your hair kind of floats around afterwards, or maybe it even shocks you at some point, that's because those combs are actually adding static to your hair and you don't want that. Well, wood kind of negates that. You don't have to worry about that with a wood comb. It actually eliminates the static and it helps your beard and your hair up here if you decide to use it on your head just lay flatter and be generally more controllable. Ultimately, combs are meant to help detangle your beard and help style your beard if you're using a complementary beard product like beard wax or beard balm, something that gives you some hold in your hair so you can actually shape and style your beard the way you want it. Brushes, on the other hand, can kind of do this. The problem is the brushes are just not stiff enough to really detangle some knots, some really strong knots. The brushes will usually just flex out of the way, but a beard comb will not. So when do you want to use a beard brush and when do you want to use a beard comb? Now, generally, you want to use a beard brush when you're trying to clean and spread oil throughout your beard. So anytime maybe you get out of the shower and your skin might be a little dry in your beard because maybe it was a warm shower like most people like to take, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply some beard oil to your beard. You're going to want to reintroduce the natural oils that you stripped away in the shower. And then you're going to want to use a beard brush to help spread those oils evenly and to help dig away those dead skin cells and everything that kind of collects up underneath your beard on your skin and which can cause breakouts, acne, irritation, and all that stuff. Spreading oils evenly and helping clean your beard and dig through and clean the skin underneath is the best use for a beard brush. Now, you're gonna want to use a beard comb when you find that you have a longer beard and that your beard gets a lot of tangles in it. Maybe you just rolled out of bed, you have the bed beard look, and you're just trying to straighten it out, get rid of all those tangles, and ultimately make your beard ready for something like beard wax, beard balm, or beard oil, whatever supplement you want to use to your beard that you want to avoid tangles in, you're going to want to use a beard comb to prep your beard for that. And if you're using something like beard wax or beard balm, you're going to want to use your beard comb to shape your beard after that as well. It's not going to be as easy to shape your beard with a brush just because the bristles flex. The tines on a comb are stiff and they're meant to help you get really detailed shaping in your beard and your beard style when you add something like beard wax or beard balm. Now, what if you don't want to buy both? What if you want a one-stop shop, something that can do it all? You're gonna want to use a combination brush, or as we like to call it at Volt, a utility brush. something like this. Now the utility brush by Volt is a combination of boar bristles and nylon ball tipped fibers. The boar bristles in it help bend and spread and flex and move the oils around your beard, and the stiffer nylon ball tipped fibers in here actually help you detangle and shape your beard the way you want. As you can kind of see, it's got a spiral design to it. This is because it helps you get in those really tight, hard to reach areas that might be hard to style or to reach with a typical beard comb or beard brush. It also helps because you can spin it easily, let's say in your mustache area or on the side of your beard or something like that, and so it's easy to handle that way. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was a quick little Volt video for you. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Leave us a comment down underneath. Tell us which one you prefer and how long your beard is and why you prefer the brush or the comb over the other one. We like to get back to those comments for you. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section as well. Thank you again for watching. We will see you in the next video.